Hello friends, welcome back. To begin with our project, we'll be using Create React app to create our project. So let's go to VS Code, and inside VS Code, we'll be opening the terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick key. Otherwise, you can just click on terminal, and here is the option to open the terminal, new terminal. Otherwise, Ctrl and backtick key is the shortcut. So backtick key is the key which is above the tab key. Okay. So now we are inside the terminal, and here I'll be using the command so that we can go to our desktop. So cd desktop, because I want to create the folder on my desktop. So now I'm inside my desktop, and here we'll create the project. So I'll type npx create react app space, and here we can write the name of the project. In my case, I'll be typing Instagram, okay, because we are creating Instagram clone, and then I'll press enter. So this folder Instagram will be created on our desktop. So let's wait for some time, and it will install all the dependencies like React, React DOM, React script. So it may take some time. Okay, so now the project has been installed. So now we will open this folder. Okay, so let's click on file and then open folder. And here inside the desktop, I'll be having Instagram folder. So here it is, Instagram. So let's click on open. So now these are all the files, and we are inside this Instagram folder. So let's open the terminal once again. So Control and backtick key. So as you can see, we are inside the Instagram folder. So let me clear this. And now we will be installing some of the dependencies which we need for this project. So the first one is date FNS. So here I'll type npm install date -fns and hit enter. So this dependency, this package will help us to format the date, which is useful because in this Instagram app we are using dates in quite a lot of places. So now let this package installed, and then we can see in package.json. So let me open package.json file, and once it is installed, you can see the name here. So it is installing. And as you can see, my React version is 18.2.0, okay, at the time of recording. And here, as you can see, we have date FNS, which is 2.3.0. So now this has been installed. Let me clear this. And now the next one is Firebase. So npm install Firebase and hit enter. Okay, so Firebase has also been installed. So let's clear this. And now the next one is React loading skeleton. So I'll do npm install. So instead of typing install, we can do I also. So npm I, which stands for install. And here I'll type React loading skeleton. So skeleton, and I'll hit enter. So my Firebase version is 10.1.0. Okay. So here it is, React loading skeleton, which is 3.3.1. So now I think all the packages are been installed. So yes, this packages are been installed. So let's clear this out. So we have installed three dependencies, okay, three packages, which is date FNS, Firebase, and React loading skeleton. And in the coming up future lectures, we'll be installing Tailwind, and if needed, some other dependencies. So we'll see that later in this course. But now in the next video, I'll be refactoring and removing the unnecessary files. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so take care and bye bye.